Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for a tool many professionals rely on daily, the Brady IDXPERT handheld labeler. This device is a workhorse for organization, inventory, and countless other tasks. But like any electronic, it's only as good as its power source. That's where a reliable AC adapter comes into play, and we're looking at a promising replacement option today. This particular 9V AC adapter, from the brand KONKIN Boo, is designed specifically for the Brady IDXPERT. What immediately stands out is its commitment to both performance and safety. The manufacturer highlights an advanced design and high portability, which are crucial for a handheld device like the IDXPERT. Many users take their labelers on the go, whether it's across a warehouse, to different job sites, or even just around the office. An adapter that's easy to carry and doesn't add unnecessary bulk is a significant advantage, making it a true travel companion. Its wall mount design also adds a layer of convenience, keeping your workspace tidy while charging. Beyond just portability, the technical specifications are quite impressive. The adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency, which is vital for two main reasons. Firstly, it ensures stable working conditions for your labeler, preventing erratic performance or potential damage from inconsistent power delivery. Secondly, this efficiency helps to control working temperature, meaning the adapter itself won't overheat, and by extension, it helps protect your valuable Brady IDXPERT from heat-related stress. Safety is clearly a top priority with this unit. It comes equipped with over-voltage protection and overheat protection. These features are non-negotiable for any power supply, safeguarding both the adapter and, more importantly, your labeler from electrical surges or thermal issues. The fact that it carries FCC CE certification further reinforces its adherence to recognized safety and quality standards, giving users peace of mind. Before making a purchase, the manufacturer wisely advises to check your model whether it is the same as the listing shows. This is a standard but important reminder to ensure perfect compatibility with your specific Brady IDXPERT model. In summary, for anyone in need of a replacement power charger for their Brady IDXPERT handheld labeler, this KONKIN Boo 9V AC adapter presents itself as a robust, safe, and highly portable solution. Its advanced design, focus on power efficiency, and comprehensive safety features make it a compelling choice to keep your essential labeling tasks running smoothly and reliably.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.